to register myself.
Yes, sir.
Hello, my name is Chris Stola. I'm a Jewish believer, and I'm here with Pastor, and I listened to a great sermon today. But I'm here to just kind of encourage those who are in the mission field, to those who preach to Jewish people, that there are Jewish people who are being saved, and not every Jew is turning his back on Yeshua. I think it's very important now that all of us, whether we're Jewish believer or Gentile believer, make every effort to preach to all people, including the Jewish people.
Yes.
Because Jewish peoples are being saved, and I'm actually testament to that and evidence of that. So I would encourage anybody who works in this field, in this ministry, to do this.
Amen. Amen.